morning everyone, I am Chintana from first year Biomedical Engineering department at SNS College of Technology. So my favorite quote is, work until you no longer have to introduce yourself to others. This quote inspires me to focus on growth so that one day my work will speak for itself. Today, I am presenting my profile based on the 5 pillars of SNS, which is going to shape our personality and learning. So the first pillar of this SNS College of Technology is Center for Learning and Teaching. So this first pillar is going to build strong academic foundation. And to introduce myself in my schooling side, I have completed my schooling at Bharati Kshetralaya Tirupur, and I have scored in 10th I have scored 91%, and in 12th I have scored like 74.5%. And after that I chose SNS College of Technology, and I am currently pursuing my biomedical engineering department. As I am very much passionate towards biology, I just chose biomedical engineering. As a biomedical engineering student, I have learned these fundamental like human anatomy, basic electronics and programming. So this pillar helps me focus on understanding concepts and building strong knowledge in these above mentioned skills. And the second pillar is skill and career development. So the skill and career development is going to develop many skills of us. Like I have currently learning Python, and it helps me improve my logical thinking and problem solving. And being a first year student, I have just started my journey in learning these, and I'm also wanted to learn C++, Java, IoT and also embedded systems. So I'm working on further, right now I'm learning Python and working on in other fields also. So, and I also wanted to develop some, I have soft skills like communication, teamwork, leadership, time management. So these are my soft skill sides. And the third pillar is Center for Creativity. So this pillar is going to mainly focused on the creativity. So it means thinking differently and solving problems innovatively. So SNS is something like design thinking. So we have to approach the problems and give solution for this for it very creatively. So that's what come in this pillar. My area of interest includes like a biomedical instrument, medical imaging and programming. So I'm very much passionate about using technologies to improve healthcare systems and create innovation medical solutions. So the fourth pillar comes like industry institute partnership cell. So this is going to be like which connects the students with the real world experience, like using LinkedIn and all. In future, I aim to do internships, attend workshops, and also work on real time projects. This will help me understand industrial needs and apply my knowledge practically. So I'm working on it for getting into that phase. And the pillar 5 is social responsibility initiatives. So this is the final pillar of SNS. I believe education should we learn should help the society. It's not just we learn, we have to tell it to others, and we have to give back to the society. So my experience include in that is I have been a class representative at my 8th standard and my 12th standard, and also in SNS College of Technology as a first year biomedical department. I'm an assistant representative, and also have been a volunteer in many events in my school, and have conducted many events. And also in college, have coordinated an event called Once Upon a Mic in the recent event called Expedia. So I work on giving back to the society. I do love volunteering and coordinating and doing something to the society, that is my college or school. So, and also I would do that same in my companies also. In future, I want to contribute to healthcare by developing affordable medical technologies. So to conclude this 5 pillar journey, my learning builds my knowledge, skills prepare my career, creativity defines innovation, industrial exposure builds experience, social responsibility builds purpose. So I'm still a beginner of my journey, but I am determined to grow and achieve. So according to me, and also my well-wishers and my staff coordinators told us that learning builds your knowledge, and skills is going to give your career, and creativity is going to drive your innovations. Industrial exposure builds experience. That is why LinkedIn connections is very important, where we connect with people and get, which is very professional. So to conclude with this all, I again tell my quote, where it is work until no longer you have to introduce yourself to others. So thank you.